Instagram has added new options to their Instance feature, allowing users to capture photos and videos using both their front and back cameras at the same time. Want to try this out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use dual capture mode on Instagram Instance. Now let's get started. To get access to this new feature, you'll need to ensure your Instagram app is updated to the newest available version. To use dual capture mode on Instagram Instance, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the middle of the bottom menu. Then tap the Instance icon in the bottom right corner. To switch to dual capture, tap the icon of rotating arrows, which allows you to switch between your front and back cameras. With the new update, there's also the dual capture option where both camera views are visible at the same time. The main view will be your back camera, and the smaller window will show your front camera view. You can still apply the new camera effects while in this mode, though the effect will only be applied to your back camera view. Set up your instant by choosing which audience you want to share to, and adding a caption if you like. Then capture your photo or video, and it will be instantly shared to your selected audience. That's all it takes to use dual capture mode on Instagram Instance. Want to learn more helpful Instagram tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.